With extensive tests ordered on both areas of my spine, I began my journey through the wonderland of Spine Center Atlanta. This place is not just concierge treatment, it's concierge care. From the parking valet all the way up through the physicians. The staff is unbelievable. They are top notch. They knew immediately my situation and made adjustments and suggestions all along the way. They learned me. The facility is beautiful. The lighting, the art, the music. At times it feels like I'm coming into a museum, not a doctor's office or a clinic. Part of Dr. Chapia's conservative treatment is to place injections into inflamed or diseased areas of the spine to make sure he's targeting the proper pain source. With even the temporary relief of those, I knew that he was honing in and pinpointing in the areas where no one else had come close to. Closing in towards surgery, Dr. Chapia has discussed the options of the two areas of my spine and how a lumbar A-lift and decompression would relieve the nerves in my legs. It's a complicated surgery because he goes in from the front and then also from the back. I got to work with the pre-cervitation team, which just got me ready to go, and I was done in no time. My day of surgery was actually joyous. I had no fear. I walked in, everybody was upbeat. They were checking, double checking, prepping. It was really unlike any experience I've ever had, and I've had a lot of surgeries too.